Good morning, boys and girls. May the force be with you. Well, another crap day in paradise, the land of the long white cloud. It's been hosing down with rain for days. I've got stuff in the shed that I was going to bring in for this video, but I'm not getting myself drowned. Let me know if you like the intro or not, otherwise if you hate it I'll get rid of it. Alright, I'll get on with making this video. Right, here's my latest project. Grow Plus lights I got off Temu. They're excellent. I really like them. As you see, they're quite bright. The biggest problem I've got is this is the only north-facing window that I've got that I can grow my seedlings on. The other window on the other side is south and it doesn't get much sun. So this will hold 12 dozen plants. Whereas normally I can only get 6 dozen in here, and that's a real struggle. The height's adjustable, quite easy. It goes up good, it doesn't go down that well, but it's easy enough to straighten out, you just move it like that. These are all USBs. Bit of a trap though, they pull about 3 amps. So you've got to make sure that your power adapter is rated for that. I had them plugged into a 1 amp but didn't like it. So that's where we have a simple paper clip to hold the height adjustment. Works good. This is a pet warming blanket for a car. I don't, because it's pulling about at 12 volts, 2.8, so that's roughly probably about 35 watts at a guess. But the problem I had with it is it come with a car adapter, and of course I don't have a car in this room, so I use this regulated power supply that I use for electrical testing, and I can change the voltage on that if I want to. It'll probably go up to 14. Wouldn't go any, just leaving it down a bit. Got this gadget to measure the temperature. There's currently 23 in here. Well, we'll just see how it goes. It doesn't owe me a lot. I mean, these were cat litter bins. I can't remember where I got these. Might have been Mitre 10, can't remember. But I'm using these small punnets this year. 6 in each of these, which leaves me room to get water in. I've never done it this way before. Don't know whether it'll work or not. It might mean that I'll have to take them out of these and put them in bigger punnets. Don't know yet. We'll just see how it goes. But I see the South American thing is they put them in punnets about this size, and they're really root bound when they plant them out in the field. But you've got to remember they've got a hotter climate than what we've got here. Also, I'm going to start a little bit different. I'll do it, their method is use one of these, put some seed raising mix in it, and I'll spread some seeds around, and I'll use individual plants. When I get to that stage I'll do another vid. I'll tidy this wiring up, I haven't completed it yet. But it doesn't owe me a lot. I think each bank was about $40, which is quite cheap, because plenty of light. That's the problem. I don't get enough light through this window, and I'm forever moving seedlings around so they sort of grow evenly. So hopefully this will work. If it doesn't, I'll be disappointed. I think it will work. I'm quietly confident. This has got a timer on it. Where is it? Up here. It's got 3 buttons. You can also do, I don't know what that one is. That's the density. You can change the light density. Put the timer on red. I think that's 3 hours. Blue is 6, and that's 12. Now the thing to remember with these plants is they need 8 hours of darkness. That's how they grow. Like they build up the chlorophyll during the day. Night time when it goes dark, they feed on it and grow. the way I believe that plants grow in the night, not during the day. Alright boys and girls, I hope you're all having a good day, and that's it for me.